Hi everybody, welcome to the Ashley Quinn Show. Today I want to be singing you guys a song called Fly Like a Bird. It's one of my favorite songs in the whole wide world. I hope you guys like it. Now you guys could give me a thumbs up or thumbs down, but I prefer thumbs up better. You're beautiful, and that's for sure. You'll never ever fade. You're lovely, but it's not for sure that I won't ever change. Though my love is rare, though my love is true, I'm like a bird, only fly away. I don't know where my soul is. I don't know where my home is. And baby, only because I'm like a bird, only fly away. I don't know where my soul is. I don't know where my home is. Your faith in me brings me to tears. That even after all these years, and it pains me so much to tell that you don't know me that way. Though my love is rare, though my love is true, I'm like a bird, only fly away. I don't know where my soul is. I don't know where my home is. And baby, all I need for you is I'm like a bird, only fly away. I don't know where my soul is. I don't know where my home is. And baby, all I need for you is nothing, wanna say goodbye. Just that every time you try to tell me that you love me, ooh, each and every single day, I know I'm gonna have to eventually give you away. Though my love is red, and though my love is true, hey, I'm just scared that we might fall through. Hey, I'm like a bird, only fly away. I don't know where my soul is. I don't know where my home is. And baby, all I need for you is I'm like a bird, only fly away. I don't know where my soul is. I don't know where my home is. And baby, all I need for you is like a bird, only fly away. I don't know where my soul is. I don't know where my home is. And baby, all I need for you is I'm like a bird, only fly away. I don't know where my soul is. I don't know where my home is. And baby, all I need for you is I'm like a bird, only fly away. I don't know where my soul is. I don't know where my home is. And baby, all I need for you is I'm like a bird, only fly away. I don't know where my soul is. I don't know where my home is. And baby, all I need for you is thank you, everybody.